Hey dump truckers, I just want to share the short 2.5 minute clip of me trying to break things. I know you guys are used to that. Just kidding. What really happened is I wanted really badly to try backing up the Eaton Cummins Endurant XD transmission at high speeds with a full load on. Meaning I wanted to go fast in reverse with a trailer on. And guess what guys? Ken from Eaton Cummins, he let me. I had so much fun you guys, I just had to share it with you.
Nice. Okay, so we're
4267 entering over.
Where's Bobby at? I want to run him over. Okay. I'm assuming he's over by the truck. Okay, so that's R2. That's R3. 3 miles an hour accelerating. R4. Oh, it's lugging. Holy moly, that's 10 miles an hour? Probably not go that fast. Why do you even need R5 and R6?
It's easier without a trailer.
I know, but oh my gosh.
You want to try it again?
I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
I'm gonna be accelerating before I shift it into the...
It's a large step across. R3 to R4 is the high range shift.
Yeah.
So it's more than just a single gear.
Yeah. Okay, so we're in R2. We're going... Okay, there's R3, 6 miles an hour, R4. Oh, we didn't like that one again. Oh, yeah. I think that's probably enough. I probably...
More than I would have done. That's good backing.
Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Oh, okay, on the concrete?
Yeah. We just pull up, next to the grass.
Yeah.
On the concrete. I mean, it's honest. It's the most suited for like highway construction, like backing up 1 or 2 miles to like a paver.
Yeah,
or
yeah, no, I get that. I just thought,
we have to back in from like the next on-ramp.
yeah.
And then there's not a lot of them out there, but then there's like high rail trucks that'll drive on the railroad tracks.
Oh, yeah, and they'll drive backwards.
Yeah, so there's a few use cases where you have to back up miles.
Here, I'm gonna back up a tiny bit.
The difference between 6 miles an hour and 10 miles an hour might be an hour of savings.
Yeah.
We have equipment haulers and stuff that says some of them claim they'll use it, like backing up low boys. They talk about backing into like limited access roads if you're dropping off like an excavator.
Okay.
Because if you can't turn around, you have to back in from the last place you turned around.
Now guys, I know that was super short and you're expecting a full-length video from me soon, and just so you know, I am working on editing. I've got a couple of things in the works and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.